Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can stop synchronization of contacts in Telegram application. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes under the video, write your comments, and let's get started. So, friends, first of all, please open the Telegram app, and then you'll need to go to Settings at the bottom. Then in the Settings, select Privacy Security, and now you will need to scroll down to the very bottom. This is where you'll find the data settings. Click here. Next, friends, in order to stop synchronizing your contacts in the Telegram app, the only thing you'll need to do here is to disable this option. To do that, just click on this button here. As you can see instantly, it's turned off. And that's how you stop synchronization. Friends, in this very simple and very quick way, you can easily stop synchronization of contacts in Telegram. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.